What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Monday morning, the 9th of June, 2025. It is 6:30 here in the morning. We're going to see in about an hour if the gentleman I interviewed last week shows up. Yep. We're going to see if he shows up. I hope he does. I hope he gives himself, affords himself the opportunity to show to us his strengths and his weaknesses in the HVAC trades. He'll be coming in more as like a first-year apprentice. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to mail out a couple posters. So let me get doing with that. Let me start up the coffee machine. And don't forget, Friday. Free Friday. Can't wait. We had a great turnout last week. Good stuff. Great stuff, actually. Awesome, amazing stuff. All right. Yeah, it feels about 69 degrees in here. All right. All right. Sean Smith in Modesto, California. I wonder if that's near LA where the fires are burning. Let me sign this. Kind of hard to see it, isn't it? Yeah. Very hard to see. All right. We can't use the red. Let's see if we can use the black instead. Let me shake this. These are these ink markers that use oil-based paint. So let's see how that works out here. I'm hoping it works out well because I bought on Amazon and let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. It tells me I gotta push down on this thing. Let me shake it again. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Oh, here we go. There we go. Now we have some ink. There we go. Sean, Modesto. Once this dries, you're getting number 18 of 150. Let me prepare a tube. There we go. We're gonna let that dry for a hot minute. Throw that in the tube and give him a few stickers. We're gonna give him the Brolic Mikey fucking Pipes, the Flaco Mikey Pipes, the Rico Mikey Pipes, Feliz Navidad Mikey Pipes, and fucking Superman. And I'm gonna give him a magnet and a pen and a card. Look at all that fucking swag, I swear. Tits! I'm not even disappointed at this point in my life. I just realized that some people, despite given opportunity, I don't know. I interviewed someone last week. I think it was on Tuesday or maybe it was on Monday. And he's, lives down the block. He can, with a bicycle, he can get to our shop in 10 minutes on a bicycle. And when asked, how much you want to earn, he goes, I don't know, how much you want to pay me? I don't know, $1.250, right? So I said, when do you want to start? And he goes, how about Monday? I was like, okay, what are you doing tomorrow though? And he goes, I have things to do. I was like, okay. So I waited till 7:30 and 30 seconds before leaving the shop, and no show. Another no show. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. His parents must be proud. Really. Parents must be proud. Crazy. So it's Monday. It's the 9th of June. Still raining. It's all it does is rain. My God. Oh. I'd like to know what the fuck's that about. Insane. I'm on my way to Eastern Nassau County. I got a service call in Seaford, Massapequa, North Babylon, and then I'm going to head back here. I got a pool heater to work on, a ACIQ pool heater, heat pump. I was hoping someone would be sitting there. I would have moved the stuff to the back. We would have had some conversation. It would have been, you know, a little bit of a bonding moment, if you know what I mean. Hey, all my subscribers and followers and just community who live in the Los Angeles area, what how you guys coping with all of these all these riots? I think there was like 2,000 people were protesting on the freeway. Wow. Yeah, and your governor is like wants to sue Trump for sending in the National Guard, saying everything was under control here. Oh man, insane, absolutely insane. Insurrection by the woke left. Insurrection by the woke left. It's crazy. Shutting down the freeway. You don't see Republicans doing that shit. Hey, John Phillips, you know what I'm talking about? You don't see Republicans acting like animals. You don't. And forget about January 6th or 7th, whatever that was. You know that was orchestrated all by wokeness. Just saying. Just saying. Yeah, John Phillips of John Phillips Plumbing in Sarasota, Florida. What is up? What is up with this guy? What the fuck, man? Jesus Christ. Cuts me off like that. Should report that bus driver. Report that bus drivers don't know how to drive. But if I stop a school bus that's flashing yellow lights, oh my God, they're gonna stone me. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So last Friday, or should I say Friday, during Free Friday, I interviewed 3 individuals, and I am going to make 2 of them an offer. Well, the one I already made an offer to, he accepted. We're good to go. He's starting Monday, a week from today. Another individual who got almost all the questions right, or I think he got all the questions right on the exam, just couldn't identify a capacitor or a contactor, which I find mind-blowing. I'm thinking of also offering him a position, hiring 2 first-year apprentices, you know, straight out of trade school. Only because I see the potential in the second individual, and I think he'd make a great asset to the team once we get him in the field and get his, you know, thrown to the wolves. But also I have 9 pending installations. 9. All Mikey Pipes by ACIQ private label systems. Pretty epic. 9 pending installs. Yep. And majority of them are coming in today and tomorrow and Wednesday. I sold 2 more yesterday, so I'm sure that'll ship out in the next couple days, and we will get that on the board as well. So looks like I'm going to be running out of room. Yep, good problem to have. And the best part is that I am not wasting any time or effort or energy with these bullshit electrification rebates. I'm not. I am not wasting my time or effort. You know, they make you jump through fucking hoops. For what? To just deny a legitimate and valid rebate submission. I'm not wasting my time anymore. The PSE&G Home Comfort Program sucks ass. It does, in my opinion. I'm sure there's a lot of contractors out there that are doing a lot of that, but you need to have a full-time individual just to deal with the back and forth nonsense with the paperwork. You do, seriously. And then you have to wait a week, if not longer, before they respond. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. But we have 9 pending installs, all Mikey Pipes by ACIQ private label systems. If you guys are interested in this stuff, by the way, I'll put a link in the description box down below. Reach out to the folks at ACIQ. Tell them Mikey Pipes sent you. They'll give me an attaboy, right? And you'll deliver a feature-rich equipment, you know, communicating system for half the price, if not more, than a carrier or the equivalent. Seriously. You're not going to find anything cheaper with a warranty than a Mikey Pipes by ACIQ. The folks over at ACIQ really got their shit together. They do. Don't forget to include an extended warranty. Bundle that into the sales price, ladies and gentlemen. Bundle that in and deliver an exceptional product, fully communicating to your homeowner, your client, your consumer. It's an awesome system. I'm actually going to be building a demonstration model. It's only going to be the 1.5 ton system, but I'm going to put it on a cart. We're going to hook up the line set. We're going to give it power. And we are going to have this thing blowing on people, right? During the Free Friday community event that I do every Friday. All right? And I'm not exaggerating, right? It's literally the new way of buying HVAC equipment. It's awesome. Communicating. You can't go wrong. Well, you could go wrong if it breaks and dies, but we have warranties, you know what I mean? Just saying. Just saying. You know what? When the weather's shit like this, it just makes you want to... Oh, look at that. It's a new place right there. And they're hiring. It just makes you, like, have, like, blah, you know? Like, blah. It's like one of those days. It's a blah day, you know? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. All right, I'm done running my cum catcher. I'll talk to you later. Be well, God bless, stay safe.